on by, you can see I'm in a calendar snack window here. Go to the top. I'm the event organizer right here. As I'm scrolling around, you can see my cursor here. And the upper right-hand corner, I'm logged in as football schedules at outlook.com. Now, this app I'm demoing today comes with our calendar server. It's sold as a kit. And if you want to know more about that, go to calendarsnack.com or 31events.com. Today, I'm here to show you that it's October 3rd, Thursday. There is a game coming up tonight. I'm going to send out a bulk invitation to 11 people to this game. You can see that I have not sent any out, and it's for the game Buccaneers at the Falcons. It starts at 6:15 here, Mountain Standard. And what I'm going to do here is go back to the send event panel. I'm going to send it via VIP list. That allows me to do bulk calendar invitations. And what I'm going to do here is go to the shared folder. And when I go to the shared folder itself, there will be a text file at the bottom. And I'm going to upload this. And the upload text file I can show you right here is 11 people are going to receive a calendar invite for the Tampa Bay, Buccaneers at the Falcons. I just click this here. I'm going to scroll down. And all these games are the upcoming games for the NFL season. And today, again, is the October 3rd game. And you'll see it here in the picker. I'm going to say yes for this demo. And what I'm going to do is click real quick. And it's going to send out the calendar invitations to these people. Now, I'm going to buy a little time since the calendar invite processing has to happen on AWS. So quickly, I'm going to show you what we're doing here. And I'm in the Calendar Snack app. I went to VIP list. I uploaded a list of emails to a particular game. And what's going to happen when I click that button, it's going to send out the calendar invites specifically to those 11 people. Now, what I'm doing is hitting this Organizer API. It's a single event invitation send for the calendar invitation that I picked out. And in particular, it's going to send out the single in a batch form, emulating essentially this API, or using this API, I should say, right here, the API gateway. Now, our stack here is built such that it's industrial strength, so you could actually send out millions of calendar invites you want. Now, what happens is when you go out in the wild and you send a calendar invite out to an end user, they are interacting with their calendar clients, and we're collecting that calendar receipt information back to the calendar snack stack, if you will, our calendar server built here. And basically, we're counting the single event details and then the stats here in these two APIs. Those two APIs are hooked to the event organizer dashboard, and it basically is showing all the data received and accepted and declined and tentative categories. Now, when you click a button, you can actually receive a detailed calendar invite list to that particular event, or in this case here, the game schedule in a CSV. So let's go back here to the demo, and you'll see that when I scroll back up, I can pivot and I can go to get reports. I'm going to go to upcoming. I'm going to go to Thursday, and you can see I sent out 11 calendar invites and there's been no responses. So to actually get a response, I would have to pivot here again in this demo. I apologize for not having these windows up, but I'm going to go ahead and pull up this window here. And you can see that this one here just received a calendar invite, Greg at 31 Events. I'm going to actually click yes to that one. And then I'm going to go back and populate a couple more people here in the window picker. I'll just populate this one. And Mandy here is somebody that, it's Mandy, has received a calendar invite for this particular batch run I showed you right here. So I'm going to refresh the screen. I'm actually going to go get that. I did a get to the AWS bucket. Here is what happened in real time. I'll pop up the screen. You can see I just summoned this dashboard here, did a get to the bucket, and it actually went to the S3 bucket, and it collected a calendar receipt from Mandy and Greg right there. So the cool thing about demoing is it is live data. You can see there's 2 people here responded, 2 people have accepted That was both Mandy and Greg I showed you. Now, to get specific game information for the Buccaneers at the Falcons, I'm going to click this Get Invitee Report. Now, this Get Invitee Report is going to go back to footballschedulesoutlook.com. I'm going to fire up that client. That is an Outlook client. You can see it just came in. I'm going to click this button here. I'm going to preview it. And you can see in the picker that Mandy has accepted and Greg have accepted the calendar invitation. So it's really cool stuff. I thank you for stopping by. And if you got any questions, just reach out to me on the tube.